Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got an unboxing for you here today. This is the Remo Hobby S-Max. I got this sent to me from a company called Hobbex. They've been around for almost 60 years. They got a lot of cool remote control stuff, such as boats, drones and cars. And they were kind enough to send me this. Asked me to check this out. So make sure to check out the links below. And head over to Hobbex and yeah, check out all their cool products they got there. So I'm pretty excited about this one. It's the 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive MonsterTruck from Remo Hobby. It's a brushed edition. Looks pretty cool on the box. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what it looks like, but get some metal gears, metal drive shafts, ball bearings, some proper screws. Also looks like it's upgradable with some nice parts as well. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll see what's hiding inside of it. Your basic 2S USB LiPo charger and a pretty sweet remote transmitter. I'm sorry. Some steering trim, some dual rates, throttle trim, your basic transmitter. Or not, no, it's not basic actually. Check this out. See if I can do this with one hand. Depending on whether you're left or right-handed, you can actually switch. Make the control usable even if you're left-handed. That's pretty sweet, I think. I'm right-handed, but I know some people that are left-handed, and this is really nice. Yeah, 4 AA batteries. And let's see here. Ooh. Some weight to it. Man, check this out. It looks super sweet. Some nice shocks there. Super smooth underneath. Nothing that can get stuck or hung up on things. Some nice tires, they feel really grippy. Rear bumper, kind of stiff, feels pretty nice. Front bumper feels nice as well. This thing is, it looks pretty sweet actually. So let's get the body off and see what it looks like underneath. Pretty sweet 390 sized brushed motor. Combined ESC receiver, heatsink on there, that's nice. $1500 milliamp lithium ion battery. So that's yeah, this thing looks really nice. Aluminum caps on the shocks, You can see the metal dog bones there in the front as well. I really like this one. Check it out. Suspension feels kind of nice actually as well. I have to say that I really like this body. It looks really nice. Feels like good quality Lexan as well. So this is a super nice truck. Let's see, yeah, we got the 5-wire servo. Yeah, it actually says 5-wire servo right there. I missed that. Some resemblance to the WL Toys cars. This is, yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty sweet basher actually. Super excited about this one. So the run footage is coming up in a separate video, so make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to head over to Hobbyx, links down below, where you can check this baby out. Pick yourself one up, which I definitely think you should. It looks super sweet. This is the Remo Hobby S-Max 1/16 scale MonsterTruck. So again, make sure to subscribe, like and comment so you don't miss the run video. And a huge thanks to Hobbyx for sending me this one. So see you guys in the next video.